Hi, I'm Darlene and welcome back to my channel, Super at 60. Today I'm starting off a new series, a brand new series for suppers. Yes, we need supper ideas, but it's springtime and we want to be outside because the weather is so beautiful. Today it's so lovely. I have my back door open, I got the heat off. I mean, it is just so super pleasant. I want to be out there. And we want to be with our children outside, and there are all kinds of sports events are kicking up, and we want to be with our kids and our grandkids, and we want to be out there cheering them on. I know I do. And so we need simple supper ideas because we don't want to go through that drive-through window. It's ucky, it's yucky, it's miserable, and it's expensive. Let's not go there. Let's make it at home. Pre-make it if you have to. Stick it in your refrigerator. Put it in the oven when you get home. There's all kinds of tricks and tips to get dinner on the table nutritiously and quickly. And we're going to go through that in this next series coming up now. Tonight, we're going to have cheddar cheese einkorn flour waffles. Yes, I've never used einkorn flour before. This will be a first. And I'm so excited. I can't believe it. I got up this morning and I thought, yeah, I'm going to rip open that einkorn flour bag because I'm going to try some waffles. And I made some egg salad, just some simple egg salad, but it is packed with protein. And that is a wonderful, wonderful, nutritious supper. And that's what we're going to do tonight. All right, and now on to these delicious cheddar waffle sandwiches. I'm going to begin here with a little bit of buttermilk, nice and fresh and cold right from the refrigerator, and some eggs. Just crack open 2 beautiful eggs. These were a gift to us, the organic eggs right from her backyard, a friend of ours, and they are super delicious. A little bit of melted butter, just for that extra flavor. You know, most waffles do have a little bit of oil in them. Butter is always better. Give it a good whisk. Make sure to get all those eggs incorporated. And here's the star of the show, the einkorn flour. An ancient grain, non-GMO. Oh, it's got all good things. It's all good, healthy things in there. And then I think I'm going to put in a little bit of salt. Everything needs a little salt. And then a little bit of baking powder. The full recipe, of course, will be below. This, like I always say, is the half recipe. Because it's just Lou and I tonight, and we only needed 2 waffles. But the full recipe below will make you 4 beautiful Belgian-style waffles. And would you look at this beauty? This is my cheese grater. Oh, this is probably the thing in my kitchen that makes me the most happy. I love this cheese grater. I buy cheese in bulk, just like that. You can see it right there on the counter in a block form. And I just can grate it and grate it and grate it all day long. In fact, when I do have it out, like I'm going to do right now, I am going to go through about, well, this entire block at least. And then there'll be a lot of cheese left over, but I'll have cheese grated, freshly grated cheese for the entire week. And here we go. We're going to put in a good hearty handful and just give it another good mix, just nice and gentle. Now that once you've added the baking powder, just treat it gently. And the batter here is going right into a nice oiled waffle maker. I got this waffle maker at Aldi years ago. It just works every single time. I love it. We'll close it up now and let it get nice and toasty brown, and it will be absolutely beautiful. Here I'm just going to put the rest of this cheese in a nice container and keep it nice and fresh for the week. There's 2 ways that I like my waffles. In the morning with syrup, good, fresh, organic maple syrup. I like to have them a little soft. Not too soft, but on the little soft side. But keep in mind, when you're going to create a sandwich, and you will be creating all kinds of sandwiches with this new waffle sandwich idea, keep in mind that you'll want it to be nice and crispy. So set it to your highest or in between middle and high setting on your waffle maker so you get a nice brown, crispy crust on the outside. Not too much so. I'm going to show you where it's just perfect. You don't want it to be too brown because we sure don't want to burn it, but we want it just right. You want to crunch when you take that bite into that delicious sandwich you're going to create. Oh, I'm sitting here thinking of all the ideas. How about some fig jam and some ham and some sharp cheddar with lettuce and tomato. Oh my goodness, how about a bacon, lettuce, and tomato on a waffle sandwich? Are you kidding me? All right, here's my waffle maker. It's just a very inexpensive one. Whoops. I think I even bought it at Aldi. And it did not steam 2 seconds ago. Sorry about that. It knows I'm filming, I guess. But anyway, that's where I have it, right in between medium and max. It's literally right in the middle. And it is just about ready to come out. Let's give it a check. Oh, please, please come out. Oh, it's beautiful. And it smells so good. Look at that. Can you imagine that with some chopped fresh herbs in there, like chives and basil or rosemary? Oh my goodness, this is, oh my goodness, this is a brand new great idea for a quick, super simple supper. I wanted to talk to you guys about something that just keeps coming up in the comments and in emails. You guys want me to do a sourdough starter. How do I make a sourdough starter? I keep getting those questions, and I hear you, and I have been trying to do it for the longest time, and something always interrupts it, and I'm going to do it. In fact, I'm in the process of doing it already. I want it to be one cohesive video so you can just watch the video and follow along and refer back to the video, kind of a reference video in case you're having problems, and you can always, leave comments for me below. But anyway, I want to show you my sourdough starter. Now, my sourdough starter I've had for about 8 years. And her name is Sally Ann. You have to name it because it's alive. It's real. There's all these yeasty bacteria in there, good stuff. And it's in need of a feeding right now because it's flat as could be. It's not bubbly or active or anything. It's just flat. It just looks thick like that. It's kind of like a pancake batter right now. Exactly. And all you'll need is a glass jar, just like this, like a quart jar and a lid. The lid will just go on. I usually put mine on upside down and just let it kind of sit there in the back of my stove. It loves a warm place, but I'm going to explain all that stuff to you. But yeah, you do need a glass jar. And as far as discard go, a lot of people are concerned with that discard, but I can't be throwing away flour, darling. I promise. I promise you. You will not throw away 1 iota of flour with my method. I promise, I promise, I promise. All I need is about 7 to 14 days, and I can teach you how to have a beautiful sourdough starter that you will have for the rest of your life. And all those beautiful sourdough loaves that I bring out and taunt you guys with, I can finally give you recipes, and I can finally show you how to do them. We can make sourdough waffles. We can make anything we want once we get that sourdough starter going. And I promise I will help you get yours up and running and perfectly beautiful. So be on the lookout for that sourdough starter series, okay? Is that a sandwich or is that a sandwich? Oh, well, don't you wish you had one right now? Or better yet, don't you wish you had that planned for supper tonight? An easy egg salad. Everybody can make egg salad. Eggs, mayonnaise, mustard, and a little salt and pepper. and you have so much protein packed in there. It's a wonderful, wonderful dinner. A little bit of fresh lettuce on there. Oh gosh, if I had made some bacon, this couple slices of bacon, it would have been absolutely delicious. But that waffle, oh my goodness, that einkorn flour is delicious. I give it thumbs up. I think it is absolutely wonderful. I can't wait to try in something else, like say a muffin or something, or even an einkorn sourdough bread. That's probably what I will make next. And then I can probably make more of a definitive answer, you know, whether a yes, a thumbs up, or a thumbs halfway, or a thumbs down. I'm not sure. But for right now, for that cheese waffle, it was fantastic. 10 stars, 10 stars across the board. Absolutely so, so good. And isn't it beautiful? Can you imagine having company and bringing a beautiful long tray out of these little triangular sandwiches stuffed with egg salad and tomato and lettuce and bacon? They will just go ooh and ah all night long. Yeah, they will. This, by the way, is the flour that I use today. It's a Jovial einkorn flour. Put it on this side. And I'm going to have that marked down below for you, because this is a really good brand. And I think you can, I know for a fact that you can get it through Amazon, and I have a kitchen Amazon store down there that if you guys ask for, well, Darlene, I loved your measuring spoons, or Darlene, where'd you get that bowl, or Darlene, where'd you get your apron? You know, I always put that stuff down there for you guys if you ever want to go and purchase anything. It's all down there. I have a kitchen one, get a little kitchen store, and I also have a little Bible store, you know, Bibles that I use, devotions that I use. But anyway, this is going to go on the kitchen side. This little bag here, this is 2 pounds, just a 2-pound bag. That's all I bought, but I'll be buying more. I'll be buying bigger bags. So I'm so excited, and I thank you so much for being here today. And oh, one more thing, that cheese is so good. And that cheese grater, you know what? I think I might even put that cheese grater below as well, because it's so much fun. Did you see how much cheese I made? We have cheese for the week, but it's fresh. It's fresh. It's a totally different feeling. The stuff you buy in the grocery store has got cornstarch or some kind of starchy stuff all over it to keep it from sticking together. When you grate it yourself fresh, it melts better, it tastes better, it is just plain better. You know exactly what's in there, no guessing, no funny stuff. And what else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, as soon as my sourdough comes out, I'll take a picture of it and show it to you. And be excited about this sourdough. We're going to do sourdough together in a video. I'm so excited. And yes, come with your questions and load me up in the comments section, because I want to know what is keeping you from doing your own sourdough starter and making your own fresh, homemade, delicious, good for you, fantastic sourdough breads. I cannot wait. I am truly more excited about that than anything in the whole world right now. Is getting that sourdough video all together, edited, and out to you. Give me a couple weeks, at least. Got to give me at least 2 weeks, because got to make a starter from scratch. This, I showed you earlier, this is mine, and I need to feed it, yeah, because I'm running kind of low. But yeah, that's a good starter. My starter is a good starter, and I can show you exactly how to make one that will make you happy literally for the rest of your life. You can pass it down to your sons, your daughters, your grandchildren, and they'll have a little piece of you forever. All right, thanks for joining me so much today. I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for stopping by. Bye now, and Lord bless.